as of 2023, I'm the chair of the SOS-AAPT committee for the State Science Day, the Gordon J. Albrecht Award for Physics. It's Award 067, and we have a new way to sign up. I'm going to try to go through this in real time, so we'll see. This video may never make it out, but I'm going to follow the instructions given to me by Ohio Academy of Science, and hopefully I can come up on if there's any snafus or things that are confusing. So first thing they said to do is click on it where it said Judge. And if you've never judged before, you click Apply Now. I'm betting this download guide is similar to what we've already been sent. Yeah, if it's 3 to 4 minutes, sure, I'll do that. Okay, enter my email. I'm going to enter my school email. So that's the one I'm going to be looking at during this process. They say you can change it later, so that's okay. Choose a name. Hopefully this won't show up here. If it does, I may have to not do this. I'm going to write it down so I don't forget it. I assume that's required. This probably not marketing emails for me. Oh, usernames cannot contain special characters. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to say that I probably have to get rid of the space, so let's see that. Looks like it likes it better. Sure, why not? Okay, update my profile. That'll be quick. I'm not going to do the Twitter thing right now. We'll move along. Profile picture. Generate avatar. Shuffle. No. Shuffle again. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Okay, so now the next thing, OAS judge application, personal information for all judges, title, yep. Hopefully none of you all will send me junk mail. I think I'm including that for everybody as well. So step 1, step 2, skills and experience. Number of years of judging at any level, I don't know. I think it's 6 to 10. NA for me. I think there's others, but I don't know what they are. Pickerington Local School District. I think I'm employed still. No, not right now. Okay, so we are going to do the District Science Day Sponsored Award. Or nope, State Science Day Sponsored Award. I almost screwed up. So, State Science Day Sponsored Award. Submit and continue. Okay, preferred category. Physics and astronomy. I hope it doesn't make me do others here. It's making me do others. Sure. Is it going to make me do others? Kind of is. Okay. Do something like that. Preferred category 3. Engineering mechanics. Ooh, nah, maybe material sciences. Yeah, okay, it does make you do those, I guess. Okay, on to step 4. So this is only if you're a District Science Day. We are not. So put NA and continue. NA and A. It's making you do that. We're close. The following questions are only applicable if you are a sponsor. If you a sponsored award. Judge for State Science Day. Otherwise, please select not applicable. Well, we are sponsored award for State Science Day. Please provide the name of the organization. So you can make this long or you can make this short. I'm going to put the SOS-AAPT. That is in combination with Eastern Great Lakes American Physical Society. So I'll do that. And we scroll down here to 067. So that is nice. I don't know why they're having to do this up here with the organization sponsoring the award, since the award's down there and that's already known. So we are not doing that. We're going to put NA for that. Submit and finish. That is not too bad. I think I am done. So you should be getting this. Any inquiries, do that. Profile page, click judge if you want to change or modify your registration details. That doesn't seem too bad. The STEM Wizard was a little bit more painful. So the only thing I almost got caught up on was we are State Science Day Sponsored Award. At any rate, hopefully that works for you, and hopefully it's helpful. If you have any questions about registering, please send me an email at doug_forrest@plsd.us, or you can contact me through the phone number that I'll be providing.